this is how it looks. Out of our shirataki dried rice, and then dumating na yung parcel natin from Little Retail PH. As per my wife and baka naman daw. Okay, so let's unbox this, and then lagi natin yung order is yung buy 5 take 1 ba yun? O buy 4 take 1? Ano yung correct, ma? Oh, it's a buy 5 take 1. And this is Kobe. Ayan, nanghihingi ng bread. So again, this is buy 5 take 1. So this is Kobe. And this is our shirataki dried rice. So this is 1 kilogram. And meron din siya instruction, how to store, and nutrition facts. So meron na tayong half na nalagay dito kasi kulang. So refill natin. Container full of shirataki rice. And meron tayong cup of rice, of course. So lagay tayo ng 1 rice. Since kanina half na, so half na lang. So as per instruction, this is just 1:1. So 1 cup of rice is 1 cup of water. Pero ang ginagawa natin is nagdadagdag pa tayo ng half ng water. So 1 cup of ng water. And then add pa tayo ng half. Ayan. So you have to set your microwave to medium high. Then 7 minutes. Between 7 and 8 minutes. So around 7.5 minutes. So balikan natin mamaya once it's done. Tada! So it's done. Balikan natin, medyo mainit pa. So medyo cool down na. And this is how it looks. Diba? So parang white rice lang din, the normal white rice. Yan. You see? Yung iba nagko-comment instant rice pala siya. So for me, well, yes. Ganun natin ang mga shirataki. So yan. Dinner is served.